Hi guys, we often get the question if you can use one of these newborn inserts with the foot muff. These sometimes come with some prams, and you most definitely can. So what we recommend is to put the foot muff in the pram first, and then you put this through. So put the harness through the foot muff first, and then you put it through the newborn insert. So just thread that through just like normal. But yeah, just with the foot muff in first so that you can still cover them up with just like that, even with the 5-point harness. If you've got that, strap baby in and then snuggle them up just like normal. Just like that. And when they're little, you can even use the buttons there and thread it down just so whatever suits you.